Tara, let's go to Doggy Omo Korean Restaurant. Nandito ito sa RPL Commercial Building, 3rd floor, JP Rizal Corner, Bonifacio Street, Barangay Balite, Rodriguez, Rizal. Madali lang siyang puntahan, nasa harap lang yan ng Our Lady of Most Holy Rosary, Parish Church. If you're looking for a spot na perfect para sa food trip, this is the place to be. Sa lahat ng mahilig sa Korean food, croissant, ice cream, ramen, you're going to love this place. Imagine this, freshly made croissants na ang lambot at ang crispy sa labas, ramen na perfect sa kahit anong weather at ang ice cream na tamang-tama sa init. They even have cold drinks and coffee para sa mga coffee lovers. It's like a one-stop shop na lahat ng cravings mo masasolve. Trust me, Doggy Omo is more than just a restaurant. It's an experience. Perfect para sa barkada at pamilya or kahit sa kaopisina mo, you won't regret it. And you know what's special? Pag nandito ka, parang nasa Korea ka talaga. The ambience, the food, everything feels so authentic. Plus, the staff are so friendly. Talagang feel at home ka dito. Kaya tara, i-cook na natin ang noodles mo. Ikaw ang bahala kung ano ang mga toppings na gusto mong ilagay. From crab sticks, mozzarella cheese, and so much more. Be creative. Make it your own, parang chef lang. Mas maganda kasama ang mga barkada dito. At sa ramyun mo, mas masarap kapag maraming toppings ang ilalagay mo. More toppings, more fun. Try mo lahat. At habang nag-e-enjoy ka sa ramyun mo, feel mo pa ang cozy vibes ng place nila dito. The ambience is so relaxing. Perfect for bonding with your barkada or just unwinding after a long day. Sobrang saya sa feeling, habang kumakain ka, dama mo talaga ang Korean vibes. Parang nasa Korea ka na rin, lalo na with all delicious food and the cozy ambience. Perfect spot for an authentic Korean experience. Meron din silang Doggy Ice Special na pinagmamalaki nila dito. Talagang matatakam ka sa ice cream na may strawberry syrup. Sobrang sarap. Perfect na panghimagas pagkatapos na masarap na ramen. Marami pa silang drinks dito tulad ng frothy latte at isang unique twist latte na may soda. Talaga namang kakaiba. Plus meron din silang fruity, isang tsaa na may fruit taste na talagang refreshing. Perfect na partner sa lahat ng pagkain mo dito. It's the perfect spot to satisfy your cravings and enjoy a fun food adventure with your friends. You won't regret it. Kaya tara na, dayuhin natin ang Doggy Omo Ramen Place na matatagpuan sa Montalban.